Good morning, students. We'll continue the chapter number 10, division of polynomial 10.1, sum number 6. Okay. Last time we did up to fifth sum. We'll continue what? Sum number 6. I told you the rule. What is the rule was there? D, M, C, C. What is D stands for? Division. M stands for multiplication. C stands for what? Change of sign. Then the other C stands for what? Cancellation. Okay. So once again, this is your dividend. I'm writing the dividend here. 8p cube minus 4p square divided by what? What is it? 2p square. This is called dividend. This is called divisor. What is the first thing? First term divided by first term. That is 8p cube divided by what? 2p square. 2 ones are 2 fours are, that is what? 4 here. This I told you the rule. A raised to m divided by a raised to n is what? A raised to m minus n. Right now? This is the rule I told you. Now what is the here? P raised to what? 3 and p raised to 2. See minus, what is the answer? 3 minus 2 is what? 1. So answer is 4p. So this is your division. What do you have to do now? Multiply. This into this. You have to multiply these. 4p into 2p square. 4 2s are 8. P into p square, p cube. In multiply we have to add. In divide you have to minus. In multiply we have to add. Here 1. 1 plus 2 is what? 3. Understand all of you? So here 8p cube. Multiplication more. Next C stands for change of sign. What is the sign here? Plus, so it will be minus. This will get cancelled. Now write the next term here. This will be 0 minus 4p square. 0, there is no use here. Once again, first term divided by first term. What is the first term now? Minus 4p square divided by what? 2p square. 2 ones are 2 twos are. That is what? Minus 2. P square get cancelled. Answer is what? Minus 2. So what is over? Division over. Okay. Now we have to multiply. Minus 2 into 2p square. Minus 2 into 2 is what? Minus 4. 1 into p square, that is what? P square only. So what the answer we got here? Minus 4p square. So multiply over. Now change of sign. What is the sign here? Minus. So opposite sign change will be plus. So this will get cancelled. Cancellations is change of sign and cancel. What the answer here? 0. What do you have to find out? You have to find out the question. What is the question? 4p minus 2 and the remainder is how much? It is 0. Any doubt, students? Rule: divide, multiply, change the sign and cancel. Okay. Come to the sum number 7th. Sum number 7 now. Sum number 7. The question is as follows. It is given as 2y cube. It is given as 2y cube plus 4y square plus 3 divided by 2y square. Okay. Here are the students. Now this is your dividend and this is your divisor. So 2y cube plus 4y square plus 3 divided by what? 2y square. Okay. Once again use the rule. Which rule? D, M, C, C. So first divide the first term of the dividend by the divisor. That is 2y cube divided by 2y square. This 2 get cancelled. Nothing is remaining. You can write 1 also. 1 ne ekdam chalega. Now divide. What answer? 3 minus 2. That is what? Y. So answer is what? Y. So divide ho gaya. Any doubt here? What do you have to do now? Abhi kya karna hai? We have to multiply this into this. That is what? Y into 2y square. That is 2y cube. 2y cube. That is multiply over. Next is what? You have to change the sign. Change the sign. What is the sign here? Plus, so it will be minus. Then next thing, cancellation, cancel. This will be 0, there is no need of writing. Write this whole terms. That is what 4y square plus 3. Once again, same rule we have to apply. Divide, multiply, change of sign. First term, what is the first term now? It is 4y square divided by what? 2y square. Okay, divide it. 2 1s are 2 2s are, so it is 2. Y square cancel, nothing is remain. So answer is what? 2. Sign, what is the sign here? Plus. So write plus 2. Division over. Now multiply this into this. What is the number here? 2. 2 into, what is there? 2y square. 2 2s are 4. That is what? 4y square. So it is 4y square. Okay. Multiply also over. Change the sign. That is what? Minus. Then next, cancel. Now what is remaining now? Here take this 3. Now we cannot divide here because this is 3 here, this is 2y. We cannot divide it because there should be a y square term should be there. So we can't divide. We have to stop here. So what is the question given now? Question is what? Y plus 2 and the remainder is how much? What is remaining now? It is what? 3. Okay. Any doubt, student? Come to the sum number 8 now. Sum number 8. Okay. The question is as follows. It is given as 21x raised to 4 minus 14x square. Sum number 8. 21x raised to 4 minus 14x square plus 7x divided by 7x cube. Okay. Now see here once again. This is your dividend and this is your divisor. Okay. So that is 7x cube divided by 21x raised to 4 minus 14x square plus 7x. Okay. Now students, you have to be very careful while doing this type of sum. Okay. Now, if you see carefully, you will see that something is missing here. There is no standard form. Standard form should be there. No, I do. Standard form should be there. If you don't know the standard form also, it's okay. We'll do it in this manner. Well, monomial. Now, first term divided by the first term. We follow that rule. Okay. First term divided by the first term. What is there? 21x raised to 4 divided by, what is the first number? 7x cube. 7 1s are 7 3s are, that is 3. Okay. Any doubt? 4 minus 3. What is the answer? 1. That is what? X. So that is what? 3x. Division over. Any doubt? Next is what you have to multiply this into this. That is 7x cube into 3x. Okay. 7 3s are 21. X cube into x is what? X raised to 4. Okay. Multiply over. Now change the sign. Change the sign also over. Now cancellation. Now what is remaining? Minus 14x square plus 7x. Now we cannot divide. Why? Because here x cube is there, here x square is there. This term should not be greater than this term. Okay. This term either should be equal, either it should be greater. But now it is what? Smaller. This x square, here x cube. So we cannot divide now. Okay. This term, this degree and this degree should be either equal or this degree should be more. If the degree is less, we have to stop dividing. So the degree is how much here? 2. What is the degree here? 3. So we have to stop. The sum is over. Now what is the question now? The question is 3x. And what is the remainder? The remainder is minus 14x square plus 7x. That's enough. We cannot divide now. Okay. Any doubt, students? Come to the next question. Sum number 9. Sum number 9. Sum number 9. What is the ninth question given here? 6x raised to 5 minus 4x4 plus 8x cube plus 2x square divided by 2x square. Okay. I'll write the question once again. It is ninth sum. 6x raised to 5 minus 4x raised to 4 plus 8x cube plus 2x square divided by 2x square. Okay, this is the question. See the question, write it is. Okay, now this is a dividend. It's a lengthy one, isn't it? This is a dividend and this is a divisor. So 2x square divided by 6x raised to 5 minus 4x raised to 4 plus 8x cube plus 2x square. Okay, now listen carefully here. Once again, first term divided by the first term. What is the first term? 6x raised to 5 divided by what? 2x square. 2 ones are 2 3s are, so this is 3. Divide means what you have to do? क्या करना है? Minus करना है. So 5 minus 2 is how much? 3. That is what? X cube. Any doubt? Division over 3x cube. Now we have to multiply this two term. Multiply. What is here? 2x square into 3x cube. 2 3s are 6. X square into x cube. I told you when multiply you have to add. So x raised to 5. Multiply over. Now what do you do? See, change the sign. What is the sign here? Plus. So क्या होगा? Minus. Then next is what? Cancellation. This will get cancelled. Now write the other terms. The remaining term. Minus 4x4 plus 8x cube plus 2x square. What is the first term divided by the first term? That is what? Minus 4x4 divided by what? 2x square. 2 ones are 2 2s are, that is what? Minus 2. Divide, you have to minus it. 4 minus 2 कितना होता है? 2, that is what? X square. You have to see the sign. What is the sign? Minus 2x square. Minus 2x square. Now division over. Now what do you have to do? Multiply. Only this term into this term. What is the number? Minus 2x square into what? 2x square. Minus 2 into 2 is what? Minus 4x raised to 4. Okay. Okay, any doubt here? See here. 2 2s are 4 minus x square और x square. Multiply में डिग्री क्या होता है? प्लस होता है. That's okay. Minus 4x4. Multiply over. Change the sign. What is the sign here? Sign क्या है? Minus है तो क्या होगा? Plus. Then cancellation. Cancel it. What is the answer? 0. Okay, there is no need of writing 0 if you want to write. What is the remaining now? 8x cube plus 2x square. There is no need of 0. Okay, you can cut. Once again, first term. What is the first term now? 8x cube divided by first term 2x square. 2 ones are 2 4s are. 3 minus 2 is what? 1. That is 4x plus 4x. Okay. So multiply over. Division over. Now multiply. What is the term you got now? 4x. 4x into 2x. Directly you can multiply. 4 2s are 8. X into x square is what? X cube. Multiply over. Change the sign. Minus. Then cancellation. My answer is 0. Take the other term. 2x square. First term divided by first term. You can divide. Okay. That is 2x square divided by 2x square. 2 2 get cancelled. Answer is what? 1. x square cancel. कुछ नहीं आएगा. बचेगा कितना? 1. That is what? Plus 1. Okay. Divide over. Now multiply. 1 into 2x square is what? 2x square. Then change the sign. Minus. Then cancellation. What is the answer? 0. So what is the question now? The question is, write 3x cube minus 2x square plus 4x plus 1. What is the remainder? Nothing is there. So we write what is there? It is 0. Okay, it's a lengthy sum. Okay, come to the next question. Sum number 10. Sum number 10. We'll go for sum number 10. Okay. The question is as follows. Sum number 10. The last question may now. Sum number 10. It is given 25m raised to 4 10th sum 25m raised to 4 minus 15m cube plus 10m plus 8 divided by 5m raised to 3. Okay. Okay, now come to the sum. This is the dividend, 5m cube, this is the divisor, divided by 25m raised to 4 minus 15m cube plus 10m plus 8. Okay. Okay. In this sum now, there is no need of seeing the degrees. Okay. In the next exercise, we have to see the degree, but in this exercise, there is no, because you are multiplying by monomial. When you are multiplying with binomial, then you have to see the degree also. Okay. Now there is no here. You should not write any standard form here. ऐसा ही रहे तो भी चलेगा. Okay. Once again, we have to use the rule DMCC. First term divided by the first term. First term divided by the first term. What is the first term? 25m raised to 4. Divided by, what is the first term? 5m cube. 5 ones are 5 5s are 4 minus 3 कितना होता है m, that is 5m. What over? क्या हो गया? Divide हो गया. Okay, division is over. Now multiply this into this. Directly we can do now because we know now. 5 5s are कितना? 25. m into m cube is what? M raised to 4. Now change the sign. What a sign will come? Multiply over. Okay. Now change the sign. What is sign plus? This is minus. This get cancellation. Okay. So change the sign, cancellation. What is the answer here? 0. If you don't write also okay. Take all the term down. Okay. What's the term you can take down? That's what? Minus 15m cube plus 10m plus 8. Once again, first term divided by the first term. That is minus 15m cube divided by 5m cube. 5 ones are 5 3s are. That is what? Minus 3. M cube get cancelled. Nothing is there. So what is remaining? Only minus 3 is remaining. Okay. So division over. Now what do you do? Multiply this into this. Minus 3 into 5 cube. 5m cube. So it is minus 15m cube. Now change the sign. What is the sign here? What is the sign? Minus तो क्या होगा? Plus. Then cancellation. Now take this term down. Now we cannot divide because here see what is the m का degree कितना है? 1 है. M का degree कितना है? 3 है. So this degree should be less than this degree, but it is here. What you can say, this degree is more. So we cannot divide this by this way. So that's enough. Okay. So what is the question given for you? The question is 5m minus 3, and the remainder is 10m plus 8. Okay. Go through the sum. Any doubt is there? You can ask me. Okay. This is the end of our practice set 10.1. Okay. This was easier, but when you're doing practice set 10.2, because we are dividing, here we divided by monomial. This is called monomial term. When we dividing in the next exercise, what happened? 10.2. Now we, in 10.2 we are dividing by the binomial. Means here there will be 2 terms. How many terms? 2 terms. So that time it will be difficult. Okay, don't worry, I'll make it simple. But here there is no change of degree here. Degree standard form में लिखने का वो binomial में करेंगे. जब 10.2 करेंगे ना तो आपको पता होगा standard form क्या होता है. In this exercise 10.1 there is no need of writing in standard form. For example, missing is there. Some missing y 4 3. इधर कौन सा m cube m square missing है. चलता है. Monomial में चलता है. Okay. So don't worry. Any doubt is there, you can message me. Okay. Okay, student. Assignment will be given to you. Please do the assignment. Write your notebook. Okay, complete your notebook. You have to make a new notebook, 200 pages notebooks. As I told you in the WhatsApp also, you have to make a new notebook, long notebook for 200. Now each and every sum we are done by me on the video. You can watch the videos many times as you want, and please complete your notebook as well as the assignment. Okay, have a good day, students. Thank you. Bye.